Don't go to the dentist. Cure dental caries with these tricks, in just 5 steps. Interesting. Cavities are an evil that appear when you least expect it, for various factors, being poor hygiene the main factor. I know it is difficult to believe, but in this video we will give you some tips so you can prevent them, fight and eliminate such odious cavities. According to Drs. Edward Mellenby, Weston Price and Ramiel Nagel, there are 4 main factors contributing to tooth decay: lack of minerals in the diet, magnesium, calcium and phosphorus mainly. Lack of liposoluble vitamins A, D, E and K. High consumption of foods rich in phytic acid. High consumption of processed sugar. However, there are natural methods that can help you fight and eliminate cavities, among which we can recommend. 1. It completely removes the sugar from the diet. If you want to avoid a trip to the dentist and still maintain a healthy denture, you must delete sugars from your diet. The sugar feeds the bacteria present in the oral cavity, which interrupt the normal movement of dental fluids and generate acidity. Both factors decalcify and demineralize the structure of the teeth and cause cavities. 2. Improve your diet. Preventing and reversing cavities requires a greater consumption of liposoluble vitamins and minerals through meals. Green leafy vegetables and healthy fats like coconut or avocado. You can also start eating more seeds and nuts. This will give you the perfect combination to have caries-free teeth. 3. The oil pulling technique. This technique has been used for centuries as a procedure for oral detoxification. Simply place a spoonful of coconut oil in your mouth for 20 minutes and then spit it out. At the beginning you can try 2 to 3 minutes and gradually reach 20. In addition to taking care of your teeth, you will also help treat different conditions such as headaches or gingivitis. 4. Make your own toothpaste. You can also make a mineral-rich toothpaste at home by mixing the following ingredients: 3 tablespoons ground-grade diatomaceous food, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon mint-flavored chlorophyll, and 1/4 teaspoon mint extract. 5. Floss every day. It takes 45 centimeters, 18 inches of dental floss. Coils most of it in the middle finger of one hand and the rest in the middle finger of the other hand. Hold the thread firmly between your thumb and forefinger. Gently floss between all of your teeth, gently moving it back and forth. You should bend the thread at the base of each tooth. When the thread is between the teeth, move it up and down carefully, so you will rub each side of the teeth. Once you have finished with one tooth, take more floss and proceed with the next.